Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Landlord inventory tracking with Sortly step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser. Navigate to the Sortly official website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. After completing the form, click on Create Account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Sortly. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Sortly website. Log into your new Sortly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Templates or Inventory Management. Select the appropriate template for Landlord inventory tracking. Customize the template by adding relevant fields for your inventory items. You can include descriptions, categories, and images as needed. After customizing, save the changes to your template. Next, locate the Upload option in the dashboard. Click Upload to start adding your inventory items. You can upload images or list items directly through the interface. As you upload, make sure to fill out all the details you've set in your template. Continue this process until all of your inventory items are added. Once everything is uploaded, review your inventory list for accuracy. Make any necessary changes or updates at this time. Finally, consider exploring additional features Sortly offers for managing your inventory effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.